Hi, Glenn here from GMT Repointing Specialist Limited. This is a job I'm on at the minute. There's some bricks. Them newish bricks on the right hand side of that window are coming out, and so is that lintel. I'll be pointing this tomorrow while they're doing that. This is reclaimed bricks. The brickies have built that in a 129 mix, and then I'm going to point over the top of it in my lime mix so it blends in with the rest of the house. It's been patched a few times, this property, but I'll do a video on after I finish pointing it. Thank you. Glenn here from GMT Repointing Specialist Limited. I want to thank all my subscribers. I'm over 3,000 now, which is brilliant. Well made up with that. I can't believe 3,000 people want to listen to me waffle on about pointing. Right, if you've got any questions, just give me a message. Please like and subscribe. Right, this one I did the chimneys about 3 months ago, so they are lightening up quite nice. So I did the gable end and the front and the porch. It's all in brown borras sand. It was built with borras brown sand because the quarry's about 2 or 3 miles from here. So it'll go all patchy as it's drying, and that's what lime does. You know, the hessing's been up for a week now, so I can take it down. I've just soaked and washed all the walls down. Gutters and windows on this one's going to be put in next week, so next time I'm passing I'll put an add-on to this video. A lot of bricks were changed on here because they'd put more like a Rawabin brick in, or an Accrington if you're in England, so quite a few bricks were taken out, especially to the top left window just on the right hand side. That metre square panel was taken out, and bricks from the garden wall were used up there, so it will take a little while to blend in. But if you've got any questions, please give me a message, and if I need any further pictures you can WhatsApp me and then we can talk through there. Thank you.